In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact an AliExpress seller. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from your browser to a clear message sent directly to the merchant, whether you're on desktop or mobile. Start by opening your browser and searching for AliExpress. In the search results, look for the official link that points to aliexpress.com. It should look like the genuine site you recognize, and you'll usually see a secure padlock icon next to the address. If you see ads or similarly named sites, take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct official result before you click. Once you're on the home page, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over the account area. On mobile, you can tap the profile icon. This is where you'll access your sign-in options and make sure your messages are connected to your account. Click the sign-in button and enter your details. If you're already signed in, you'll see your account menu there and can continue. Next, go to the product page for the item you're interested in. You can find it by searching for the product using your browsing history or opening it from your saved items or orders. When the product page loads, pause for a second and locate the box that shows the store's or seller's name. It's usually near the product title or to the right side of the page, and often includes a link to the store's homepage along with ratings. From here, you're ready to contact the seller. Look for the contact or chat option. On desktop, you might see buttons labeled Contact Now or a chat symbol near the store's name. On mobile, look toward the bottom left of your screen for the chat bubble icon. Tap or click it, and the AliExpress chat interface will open. If a pop-up is blocked, allow it so the chat can load properly. In the chat window, type your question to start a direct message with the merchant. Be clear and concise about what you need. Mention the product title or add the product link, specify the color, size, or variation, and ask about availability, shipping options, or delivery times to your location. If you're checking on an existing order, include the order details shown in your account so the seller can quickly find it. Keep your tone polite and straightforward, and send one message with all key information to help the seller respond accurately. You can usually expect a reply within a business day, though time zones can affect response speed. Keep the conversation within AliExpress for better tracking and support. That's it. Now you know how to reach an AliExpress seller quickly and effectively.